Well, it's some pretty screwed up lighting here. Maybe I can do it in post-production and lighten it up a bit. But got the old van out there. Frost on the panels. Frost on the panels. It's almost early November. That's a bit early. Usually we're in November before we begin to get freezing weather. But it was 32 this morning. So that was kind of unusual for Texas. Um, not extraordinarily unusual though. And I'm in the cheap hotel for a day. I got to go back out to my storage. I need to start getting my heaters out, um, and putting them back in the van. My fault for not that didn't catch me off guard like this. So I'm gonna get my heaters back. So when it has that 32, I can laugh at it. 32 is not that cold anyway. You can just get, and I've got a sleeping bag in there, and I need to pull that out. So I need to get ready for the cold weather. Not a whole lot of west left to say beside that. I've basically got everything wired back. I haven't put the second solar controller in there, but I've sort of subdivided the wiring so everything on the right side is wired in a certain way, everything on the left on another way, so I can easily integrate that other solar controller in there and split it up. But that's going to be in the future. Hey guys, back in the cheap hotel. The bed's unmade. My backpack slash work pack is up there. I'm working from the hotel today. Didn't feel real well, so I haven't gone into the office yet. I might go in later. And this is the usual crap you've got in one of these cheap hotel rooms. It's got a refrigerator. It's got a microwave. This is one of those extended stay. I can never remember the places. I keep Motel 6 keeps getting in my way. Yeah, I think it's the Motel 6 Corporation, but it's the Extended Stay 6 or Studio 6. So it's pretty handy, and it's not too far from where I work, so I can go out and get that. And also not very far from a hospital. Usually you get better hotels even on the low end next to a hospital. There's a very nice hotel just next door. I stay there sometime when I'm freshly paid and I'm only going to stay there for a day. I can stay here for 2 days, what cost me there for a day. And sometimes in a week you can stay here for 3 days compared to for what 1 day would cost you there. So basically I just want to give you a quick look at this place. Not going to be doing a whole lot this weekend. I got to go to storage, get my heaters. Still having idling issues with the van. I replaced that idle air control valve, and it's still not good. So I do have another idle air control valve. I might go ahead and change it again, just for a sanity check. I'm sure I did everything right, so I'm not exactly sure what's wrong. In any case, I just want to give you a quick rundown of what's going on. You haven't heard a whole lot from me. I got some equipment to review, but I really haven't had time. Work has been nuts, but it's work is always nuts. I'm going to make time. And in a couple of 3 months, I'll be within age where I might not have to work anymore. Only kidding. I will be eligible to retire. I know, good-looking young guy, as you've seen me many times. How am I eligible to retire? Okay, no laughing, except me. Anyway, so and then I'll decide. If this lifestyle is going to change any. If I was to retire, I would probably either get a bigger van or get a high top on my van. If I knew an area, you guys who are in the North Texas area might know some place in the Dallas-Fort Worth area where they'll put a high top on. I'm considering doing that, and I might do that next year. It's all according to what the maintenance cost ends up being on this in the near future. But if I put a high top on this thing, I'm pretty much in full restoration, because an engine blowing, I probably got to put another engine in there. In any case, I wonder how much it would cost to put a diesel in there. Probably at $7,000 or $8,000. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'll talk to you later, and you have a wonderful day or night if you pick it up at night. I'll talk to you later.